Hello guys, this is Uling Cyril. I'm gonna make an English version of the marketing plan of NBO. But before that, I'm gonna direct you to my blog. Please do visit this blog. That's the address on it on the top, on there in the screen. Just click on that and please read it. Please read it. A lot of information, very good information so that you could see. It's about how NBO works and how everything about NBO. But anyway, what is important I'm gonna talk right now is the English version of the marketing plan. But before that, I'm gonna show you the record breaking of this company. See, this is the only company, a 6-month old. It's 7-month old already. But during their 6-month old, they already have a million payout weekly. Okay, take note, weekly, not monthly. They have weekly payout. In fact, on the second, third, fourth week, they have 30, 40, 52 million payout. And the last time was on that's what's on March 31st. It was 72 million payout. You might be wondering, how do this company could sustain in such huge amount of payout? Well, I'm gonna talk with that. But before that, I'm gonna share you also within 6 months, this company already have 21 branches and 2 depots all over Philippines. See how fast the growth is? Now, what is awesome about this? It's the only MLM company within 6 months time that uses ATM for payouts. Now, this is the other thing. This is the one, a 600,000 payout without recruit. Meaning to say, in this system, recruiting is optional. I'm gonna say it again. In this system, recruit is optional. Now, let's go for... So how does this work? How do you earn from this system? Actually, it's very simple, guys. All you have to do is to purchase a product package. Actually, you could purchase product package from the different branches of the NBO. And I'm gonna show you guys, you could also purchase a product package online. I'm gonna show you the link where to go to purchase a product package. On that product package, you will have a code in it, and that code is important for you to register your name on the system. See, so once you purchase a product package, that will cost 988 pesos. Of course, you have a product on it. So that 988 pesos, if we'll convert it into dollars, that's approximately $22, $23, depends on the conversion. Now, since we know it's so hard to invite people, it's so hard to refer people, I strongly advise you will get another 2 heads for you to qualify on the fast track. See, if you purchase another head, which is you put it on your left, and another head which is on the right, you purchase that also, automatically your first head will qualify on the fast track system. And this fast track system is so unique. Why? It's because this is just a one-line system. See, as you can see, guys, the left head is you, the right head is you. Once the system sees that you have 2 downlines under you, automatically that head will qualify in the fast track. And in the fast track, here you will receive a company spillover. What's this? This company spillover is just a profit share. Every time the company have sales, every time people purchase a product package, you will have a profit share. See? Example. I'm gonna give you an example. Like in my place, I'm from Dumaguete. I'm from Negros. See, if I have invited a friend, if this friend of mine purchased a 3 heads, see, he got 3 heads also, automatically, since you were the first one who joined the system, automatically this friend of mine that I invite will be your downline. What is awesome with this is you don't even know that friend, right? This is my invite. See, this is my work. But since you joined the system, you will benefit from my work. See, that's how unique and that's how awesome it is. And how much will you gain? If the system sees that you have a downline on the fast track system, the company will give you 7 pesos and 50 centavos. That's it. That's how simple it is. Another example, like an OFW. We don't know this person. He just see it on Facebook. He just click it and want to join and purchase a code. Once he joined and get 3 heads also, meaning to say he qualified for the fast track, automatically again, that will be your downline. Since you have another downline, you will receive a company spillover again. 7 pesos and 50 centavos. Now, take note. I want you to take note on this. The company spillover will have a range from 7 pesos and 15 centavos to 1 peso. Take note, Take note, this is from 7.50 to 1 peso. Why? It's because of the safety net of the system. See, there's a safety net so that the company will not lose and everybody will receive payout weekly. So that's it. That's how simple the system is. That's how awesome the system is. Now, if you have accumulated from 7.50, 5 pesos, if you have accumulated 4,500 from company spillover, that head, this head, which is the one who qualified on the fast track system, will graduate. Meaning to say, that's the time you will stop earning. That's the time you'll stop earning stuff in the fast track income. But that's also the time you could now encash the 4,500 pesos. But of course, please ask the person who show you this video, because that 4,500 have deductions on it. Again, this 4,500 is the gross income. It will have deductions. For the deduction, details on deduction, please ask the person who shared this video to you. Now, the keys for this system is the more heads you have. See, if you get 7 heads, the more heads you purchase, the more fast track you have. The more fast track you have, the more 4,500 you will earn. So if you could see, I'm going to show you the screen right now. This is one of the check of our top earner, and I'm very proud to say, from a 6-month-old company who could give a 2.4 million. That's about $55,000 if we convert into dollars. So that's a 55,000 payout. See, they could afford that. It's because the system really works. So that's it, my friend. If you have more questions, please refer it to the person who showed you this video, or you could add me on the Facebook, or you could visit my blog. Here's my blog. I'm gonna post it in the screen. Please do visit, please do comment, and I'm gonna be very glad to assist you. So thank you very much and have a good day.